So now discuss about the adaptive delta modulation. Okay, and how adaptive delta modulation will reduce the slow above distortion and granular noise. Okay, or mainly how adaptive delta modulation will reduce the limitation of delta modulation. Okay, so this is the basic circuit of adaptive delta modulation. Okay, this is empty, same as that, same as the delta modulation, this part, except this part. So we will discuss this part. Okay, so first empty will come, and this is the feedback m cap qt, let's say m cap qt. This is the modulator or multiplier, and this is the pulse generator, it will generate a pulse. Okay, and here will same, here will quantizer and then low pass filter, etc, etc. Suppose the slope above distortion is occur. Okay, slope above distortion means when slope is flat. So this is a slope overload or distortion when slope is look like this or more, they have a maximum slope or more flat. Clear? So same, if pulse is multiplied with the positive value, it will get a positive pulse. It multiplied with the negative value, it will get a negative pulse. But it is not like a delta modulation, that is 1-bit quantizer. It is a variable bit quantizer. Sometime 1-bit quantizer, sometime 2-bit quantizer, sometime 3-bit quantizer. That means step size is varying. How step size is varying? Suppose there is a slope overload condition or slope overload condition. So what we will do? So suppose the output will get plus plus plus, look like this. Slope is like this and output is here, like slope is like this, and in this position output is here. So output is always plus 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 plus. So output is always plus 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 plus. So it will come to a average circuit. So total plus average will be a plus, and then it will fetch to a square wave generator circuit. So square wave generator done that it will give more positive value. Suppose plus 2 is the average value, and the square wave will give plus 4. So it will give more positive value, and this will feed back to the variable gain circuit. And also a plus circuit also a plus come, also input come plus. So total variable gain circuit will be more positive. Okay, so total variable gain circuit will be more positive. Then it will comes to a or fetch to a integrator circuit. So it will integrate the total value, and there is a more positive value, and this is come to a inverting circuit. So now we can see corresponding or compared to this m of t, this mq cap t is more positive. That's mean it will comes to inverting, so output will be more negative. So output is more negative. Now suddenly what we will do, that is m cap qt is suddenly greater to the empty. So when there is a value comes like positive 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 more positive, so it will gives here a more positive value, and the quantizer will get more, or quantizer will get it more negative. That's mean suppose look like this, more positive positive. So not doing like this, it will integrate total value, and one time it will more positive. Okay, so it will increase more. Okay, that's mean not 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, not look like this. It will integrate this 3 value and at a time fetch 3. Clear? So same, so what will, how it will reduce the slope over distortion? Suppose there is value negative 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 0 0 0 0, that is more negative. Not look like this, it will integrate the total value, not in 3 step 1 2 3 4 step. It will integrate this 4 step value to a 1 step and reach to the normal position and reach to the original value. So in this way it will reduce the slope over distortion, and this is the simple block diagram of slope over distortion. So same like for this, if it will come negative negative negative, it will get more negative value, and if it is more negative value, here also come more negative, and more negative means it will invert at his, that means it will, here we will get positive value. So if you will get positive value, that will be more positive. So instead of this more negative negative, it will one time negative much. That's mean minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, not doing like this. It will take minus 3 at the same time. In this way it will reduce the slope over distortion, and same time is there is a average circuit and integrator circuit, so it will similarly also reduce the granular noise.